Hey, this is Gwen from Hairbow Supplies, etc. Today we're going to make a bow knot scrunchie. So what you'll need is 22 inches of fabric by 3 inches. And then this piece is 12 inches by 5 inches. You need 1/4 inch skinny elastic. You need a safety pin, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, some sewing pins, a sewing machine, and an iron. Let's go ahead and get started. And what you'll do is you'll take the first end here and you're going to fold it back, and then you're going to fold right sides together all the way down. And then what I want you to do is sew your seam all the way down. It's a 1/4 inch seam, so you'll sew this all the way down. So let's go to the sewing machine. So now take your safety pin and pin on the inside of one of your edges, and we're going to shove the safety pin back through the middle, and we're going to just push this all the way down so that we can turn our scrunchie inside out. So some people call this the bunny-eared scrunchie, or you could call this the bow knot scrunchie. I think you could call it whatever you'd like to call it. It's absolutely cute, and you know, when you make the tails of the bow knot part, you can make them long to make them look, you know, almost like a old-timey look. So we'll show you that when we get to that part. So we're almost done here at the very end. I love this technique. This makes it so much easier to flip your scrunchie inside out. Here we go. And you just pull it down, and then voila, there it is. So now that you have all of that, then you can just undo your safety pin. Once you're done with that, just take your scrunchie and then iron it. Okay, get your safety pin out one more time, and then you have your 9 inches of skinny elastic. This is a 1/4 inch wide. Put your safety pin through down this end here. Okay, that was really quick. So this is sewn, and then you just want to kind of hold out your scrunchie and then just make sure that the loops are all pretty. So this is just a cute scrunchie. You can be done here, or we can add the top knot. So we'll get to that in just a moment. Okay, take your 12 inch by 5 inch rectangle and then fold it right to left. This is really important how you fold this. because what we're going to do is make sure that these corners are really nice. Make time to do something fun like that for me, you know, it's hard to do that. Okay, so now we're gonna